Honor Magic V3 is set to launch in China on July 12 alongside the Honor Magic Pad 2 and Honor Magic Book Art 14. Honor Magic V3 hands-on first look leaked. It's really thin and light, which measures 9.9mm in the unfolded state. The handset may weigh between 220 and 229 grams. It will be available in black, green, red, and white color options. The Honor Magic V3 has been tipped to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It is also likely to support 5G network connectivity as well as satellite support in China. The V3 offers a major upgrade in the design of its rear camera module. The Honor Magic V3 may carry a 50-megapixel sensor, a periscope telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom support. Honor Magic V3 will feature third-generation Qinghai Lake battery, which is thinner and lighter than iPhone 15 Pro Max. The phone gets a 5000 mAh battery with 66W wired fast charging support. Equipped with an ultra-thin USB Type-C port, and the foldable handset's hinge may come with IPX8 water resistance certification. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.